give it a 10.
Good job. Nicely done.
Now there's a big window.
For the headers, we're going to use 2x10s just for the low, and triple them up just to make sure this is really good and solid. Keep that seat.
They're together permanently. This will just really be for the drywall. So right now we're going to pull out these big chunks of concrete, and then Rob and Lyman will get the window installed, and from there we'll backfill. So now we're going to put Vicor on, which is kind of a rubber sealant material.
It's just a really good sealant. Just one extra step, keeping everything out. Okay. That's good right there.
Through. Just gotta come towards me a bit. All right, we're there. Now we just gotta push in. All right, hold it, guys. Don't breathe. Let's get the other side on before we tighten anything. We are there.
All right.
Inaugural exit. And now I can use just a couple more bolts, and then we'll be finished. Just gonna put a little bit of sealant around just along the perimeter, just to keep the water out. I think that's my cue to get moving, because he started up the excavator. He's gonna fill a hole in, so I better hustle. So we're trimming out the inside of this window, and we want the reveal of the window itself to be equal, you know, on the legs, on the header, and on the sill side.